Imagine gliding across the water as the sky explodes into fiery colors. Today, we are chasing one of nature's most magical shows, a sunset paddleboard adventure. Before we hit the water, let us gear up. Paddleboarding at sunset means calm water, cooler air, and an unbeatable view. Time to get the gear ready. Unboxing the paddleboard kit feels exciting. Pump, paddle, and board, all set for today's golden hour ride. Now, pumping up the board, almost ready to go. As the sun begins to dip, the water turns into liquid gold. Every paddle stroke feels like painting across nature's canvas. From above, it looks unreal, just a tiny board against endless glowing water. This is what freedom feels like. From every angle, the scene keeps changing. The water mirrors the sky, glowing brighter with every passing second. It feels like floating between two worlds. Hearing the distant birds chirping brings pure satisfaction. Every sound draws you closer to nature, making the moment feel alive and peaceful. Listen closely. The gentle splash of water, birds in the distance, the calm rhythm of nature. Paddleboarding at this hour is not just adventure, it is meditation. It's time to paddle boat and feel the nature. This is a complete therapy and real achievement to feel it can't be described in words. And then, the grand finale. The sun turns the sky into fire. A moment that makes you stop paddling just to watch in awe. As the light fades and twilight takes over, you realize adventures like these are not just about travel. They're about reconnecting with yourself. Until the next sunset, thank you for sharing this sunset journey with me. If this moment inspired you, imagine what your own adventure could look like. Share your favorite sunset memory in the comments, and let's keep chasing horizons together.